In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to an image using GIMP, a powerful open source image editing tool. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned graphic designer, learning how to effectively add text to your images can significantly enhance your projects, helping you communicate a message more clearly or simply make your visuals more captivating. First, make sure you have GIMP installed on your computer. If you haven't yet done so, you can download it for free from the official GIMP website. Once that's done, go ahead and open GIMP. When you launch the program, you'll be greeted with the main interface. Don't be overwhelmed if this is your first time using GIMP. The user interface is quite intuitive once you get familiar with it. Now, the first step is to open the image you want to work with. You can do this by clicking on the File menu at the top of the screen and selecting Open, then browsing your computer to find the image you want to edit. Once your image is open and ready to be edited, we'll proceed to add some text. Look to the bottom left corner of GIMP's interface. Here, you'll find a toolbar with various icons. The one we're interested in looks like a capital A. This is the text tool. Click on it, and you'll notice the cursor change to a text insertion icon. Now move your cursor over to the part of the image where you want to add text. Click once, and a text box will appear. This is where you can start typing whatever text you need. As you type, you'll see it appear right on your image. A surrounding rectangular box allows you to resize and position your text precisely where you want it. Feel free to drag the corners to adjust the size or the body of the box to reposition your text element. After you've typed out your text, you might want to customize how it looks. Look back at the toolbar on the left, where you'll find additional options to adjust font type, size, color, and style. You might want to explore these options to match the tone and purpose of your image. If you want to change the font size or color, for instance, these settings will be directly above the text box in the Tool Options area. Once you're satisfied with the placement and styling of your text, your task is almost complete. You can save your work by going to the File menu and selecting Save As to keep your original image unchanged. With just a few clicks, you've effectively added text to an image using GIMP. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you learn a simple yet impactful skill that can be used in various projects, from professional designs to personal creative works. Happy editing!